What's up, guys? We're using a broken Mini as a tripod today, so that works. And there's the FC. But I've got some small little cool announcement for you guys. I was talking to Sally McNulty at Grid Life, and she gave me a sticker and gave me the idea of making my own stickers. So we've got our little tune. We've got our little Tune FC RX-7 stickers. Obviously an exact replica of mine, including the little tongue. On this sticker, Marco got so much detail. I mean, you can see the main hoop of my cage, the crossbar, there's the bride's seat, here's the halo. I mean, he's got so much detail in this one little sticker that I'm really amazed. Even the louver looks good. The louver looks really funny, but everything looks good. Like, he captured pretty much everything on my car and put it in tune form. The only thing we don't have on there, obviously, is the Grid Life banner and the number plate, but kind of hard to do that, especially in this small of an area. But so far, I think this is the most detailed sticker I have ever had made in my life, and I really like it. I hope you guys do too. I decided to do the little Tune stickers, because they're cool, and I really like them, and I think they're kind of cute and kind of funny. The idea was, I know a lot of you guys want stickers. When I did the gold stay up stickers, a lot of you subscribers wanted to buy them and wanted me to ship them out. I only did a small run of those just for the fans and the people at Grid Life to have. So since I know a lot of you guys want stickers and are interested in that, I decided to make some more, get some, and these ones I decided to do of the car. I think it's pretty cool, and hopefully you guys enjoy them too. But the other reason I did these stickers was I am starting a new brand, kind of a new identity that I want to build with myself and my friends and all that. Alfie's helped me a lot with it. Devin has too. Graham's even had some input, and Dalton has did a lot for it as well. So the name of the new brand is 2x4 Co. Now, you might be curious, what's going on with like Head Held High? Where's that at? Well, Head Held High is still a thing. They're still going to sponsor the car, still do all that stuff. I'll still wear their shirts because I love them. But 2x4 Co. is just something that I can use my very small amount of creativity with and build some stuff with my friends and make some cool shirts and make some just like random little stickers. I will get right back to this. Alfie needs my help fixing the Mini. So give me a few seconds. I gotta put the key in. Alright kids, we're back. Ready to take this thing out of the belt tensioner for the Mini's blower. Let me put that back. Back to talking about the 2x4 Co. It is basically just a creative outlet that I'm going to try to use to make some cool stuff for you guys, make some rotary related stuff. I know a lot of y'all have been asking for rotary things. I'm making this, and then James Wood Racing will also be running parallel with 2x4 Co. And that'll be kind of our professional way of going after new sponsors and bigger sponsors so we can continue to race and hopefully not have it make me poor, because that's not great. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard the old analogy of how do you become a billionaire racing? You start out being a billionaire. So I don't want to start out making like this much and then making below the level. So we're going to try to not be poor. But I'm working on the James Wood Racing website, so you guys can check that out later if y'all want. But for now, head over to www.2x4co.com. And there you'll be able to get the FC stickers. They're only $5. The shirts are 20 bucks. And the posters, I've got one poster up, that's 20 bucks. And then I've got another sticker that's $3. But you guys head over there, check those out. Be sure to leave a comment what you guys think of the new stickers, what you guys think of the website, the brand, the idea, all of it. I want to know. This is just kind of a short little video to tell you guys about it. Since we're now officially releasing 2x4 Co. Head over to all the social media pages and start liking them. The handle is 2x4co. So be sure to hit it on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I don't really use Twitter, but I'm going to try to use Twitter. And we'll start giving away some stickers and some shirts and just whatever else is going on. We'll figure that out. But be sure to like those. Be sure to drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the FC stickers. Let me know what you think of the website in general. Put a like. Remember to like the video if you want a sticker and are going to get a sticker. And yeah. Also, let me know if you guys buy any specifically, so I know like which user, which subscriber bought what. That'll be cool. I'll send you guys some special stuff, give you all some notes. But yeah, so thank you for watching. We're gonna get back to working on this Mini, hopefully getting that back on the road, because as you know, it's been broken for almost a month. The Mini broke a day before Grid Life, so it's been almost a month. The whole reasoning for the 2x4 brand is for me to be able to express my creativity and make stuff for you guys specifically. Let me know what kind of stickers you guys want to see. Let me know what shirts you want to see, and we will use our creative minds to try to make that for y'all and get it out there and available to buy. Obviously, we'll all just make random stuff that we like and we think is cool, but we want to hear from you guys, because y'all are going to be the ones that this brand is for. Y'all are going to be the ones that have supported the channel and have continued to support the channel. We've grown the channel a lot. I hope you guys enjoy this brand and support that. We're gonna make everything as low as possible. We're not trying to make a bunch of money off this. We're not trying to get rich, not trying to be billionaires. We just wanna make stuff that hopefully y'all like and our friends like and that people wanna buy. And that's all that matters to us right now. We just wanna have you guys to have quality clothes with our designs on it, or designs you guys like, or designs you guys have thought of. And that's kind of the whole mentality behind this. I just want to build something that can grow, and with your guys' support, I know it's going to grow. So thank you guys for listening to me, and we will catch y'all later. Bye, y'all.